Welcome, Keops. Sorry about last week that I messed up the video.
Thank you, Tia. Thank you. Pleasure again to meet with you today.
Yeah, it's always fun speaking to you and your fancy charts.
So, here, this is Bitcoin Daily. You see here at this node point, it kind of started dropping, and it followed the hedge of the hexagram pretty good, and also this line here of the inside triangle act as support. So it may, it may continue. I think it will continue down.
Yes.
That's my forecast, and I'm sticking to it. So if you want, I can share the monthly.
Yes, please do.
Sorry, that's the weekly, and my monthly is this one here. Okay, that's the monthly.
Yes.
My bad. Let me just put it full screen.
Oh, so it did exactly what you said it's going to do in terms of
Yeah,
beating the red.
Yeah. So remember, it opened lower. So May 1st, when it opened, the candle, it opened below the line. So that's why initially it was indicating, it was not, it was indicating that it may go lower. So what it did, it bounced above. This moved twice, and now I think now we got the full rejection. I think yesterday or 2 days ago. I don't recall exactly when, but again, as I said, there is a big this zone here is very, very monitored, and the whales seems to be very determined to protect this area. They don't want this to. It seems that they don't want this thing to go above 10.5 K. That's the line in the sand, yeah.
The line in the sand. I like your terminology.
Yeah. Every time it went here at the zone, they dropped the big whack-a-mole hammer on Bitcoin, and it just fall off a cliff. So it looks like I think we're going to close the month. If we close the month under the white line, which I think it will,
yes,
then I expect June to drop.
Quite significantly to 6K?
It can drop to 63, 61.
Okay.
That will be my target. If this thing drops for real,
yes,
it will go at this level here, which makes sense in a way.
Okay, now, well, according to your charts, it makes sense in the the geometry makes sense, you know. I mean, without understanding the maths, if I just look at your circles, that makes sense to me.
Yeah. And if here, this is the weekly, so it's a more shorter time frame. And we can see that it is aiming and retesting 8,379 roughly.
Yes.
So that this is, I think next week that will be the low next week, and we'll test this level. But this one, if this one fails, obviously we'll go back to maybe 74.44.
Okay, that's a nice number. I like that. 444.
Yeah. 7444. And if this circle doesn't act as a support, then that could telegraph. Yeah, but that's lower than the 6K, so that's 5K zone. So maybe it will not get there at all.
I hope the yellow bounces it away. You know.
So I don't know. Maybe it will. Maybe it will shoot here 75 or 74.44. And let me check on the monthly again what this one looks like. 74.44. No, that's roughly here in this zone. Yeah. So perhaps in June we'll not go as low as 6K and retest the circle. So maybe we'll stop around 7444, and then perhaps July we can just touch the circle and bounce back higher. So maybe this is what's going to happen. So we'll see.
No, I think your predictions
Yeah.
have been quite accurate over the last few
Yeah.
weeks, and
Yeah.
I should take you seriously.
I mean, the way I work, I'm not only using one chart.
Yeah.
I try to base my decision on multiple charts using different time frame, and I try to find the common element that make the story valid, if you like.
Yes.
So that's the way I gauge how things may go.
Yeah.
And so far it seems to work.
No, I really enjoy looking at your charts. It's firstly interesting, but secondly damn accurate, I must say.
Thank you.
No, that's super good. And yeah, I'm sorry that I didn't display some of your charts last week because most of them happened exactly like you've predicted it.
Yeah.